I always wanted to empower women to become the most beautiful versions of themselves. It's what I do for celebrities and supermodels. I wanted to democratize that, and I wanted to give that to everyone. The Radiant Beauty, what is so special about that is that we're very much inspired by Asian women and the way they always have this radiant skin. They always use masks and their skin always looks radiant, and they sort of, you know, their skincare routines are massively important to them, and their whole trend with glass skin. Asian women have the most beautiful skin and the most incredible lips. I mean, it's just like, I'm determined to bottle their skin. Thinking about the different kind of skin problems that women have in the world, and one of them is pigmentation. So I really wanted to come up with something which is called Brighten Youth Glow, which is packed with loads of amazing skincare ingredients. The other product like this is called Wonder Glow. My inspiration for this was Gisele Bündchen, the supermodel, and I wanted to capture her radiant Brazilian healthy glow. And it has this thing called fluorescent core, which steals sunlight and then re-emits it through the skin. These two are a little bit like Instagram filters. They're like filters onto the skin that just make you look flawless and poreless and smooth and radiant. Also, it's got this amazing cream eyeshadow called Jean, and it's a really stunning color that really plays with the light to add real dimension to Asian eyelids. And we have this amazing lip color. It's this gorgeous color, and it's a matte color, and it's a very chic look. For me, it's like whenever I look at a face, no matter what kind of race or skin tone you are or age, I'm just looking at form and shape. It's kind of how I see things because I'm an artist. To be a makeup artist, create your own line is, I would say, if I had realised how hard it is, I don't know that I would have done it, but no, I probably would have, but it's very intense. Working with the best laboratories in the world, you know, I will spend all my money on formula because for me, the formula, the product is king. I never wanted to be like, I've just come up with another red lipstick. It's like, no, I wanted it to be the perfect red lipstick with the perfect texture that I couldn't find out there.